Hey Cameron, this is Donald Cunningham. Um, I shot this video for you. The reason I shot the video is I want to show you some tips and tricks and things you can do to improve your online presence. I do this because I found that many business owners are too busy running their business to explore all the ways the internet can help them and their business. So I wanted to talk about three things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business, to your website. I'm looking at your website here. It's a great looking website, a great picture at the top there. Okay, so one thing I wanted to let you know is that it has been found that the websites that rank at the top of a Google search have between 1,500 to 2,400 words on their homepage. Now, I did a scan of your home page as far as the words, and you only have about 353. Okay, now this is your top competitor. Now, their website came up on the first page of the Google search, looking for landscapers in Eugene. And take a look here. See, they have many pictures, lots of pictures, lot more content than you have on your website. As a matter of fact, they have, I think, about 3,500 words, 3,400 words uh, of content on their homepage. But in addition to the number of words on the homepage, you want to have keywords, you want to have words that people use in searches that are going to cause your site Google to find your site. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Essentially what it does, it gives me the background details that Google is looking at when it's ranking a website. And as I mentioned, you want to have keywords that are going to cause your site to come up. So let's see what keywords they're being found for. They're being found for 17 keywords. Let's look here. So these are the keywords that they're being found for. Landscaper Eugene, landscaping Springfield, Oregon, landscaping Eugene, Eugene landscaping. So these are all words they have in their content that cause their site to be found. So as I said before, now they have approximately 3,500 words on their homepage. That means these words are found in their content on the homepage. So what you would need to do is include more content on your homepage, more not only the number of words, but you want to include these same keywords that they're being found for. So your site will also come up when these keywords are put in. And to outrank them on the number of words on their homepage, you would have to have probably about 3,600 words of content on your homepage. It sounds like a lot, but it's doable. Okay, now the second thing I wanted to talk about is the citations. What we have here is the result of a Google search, and on this side we have what we call our uh, um, organic listing, and on this side is the map section, which we also call the map pack. So this is your competitor's listing right here. Now, as far as citation, what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number, which is also known as a NAP. So you see here on your competitor, if we click on here, Okay, over on this side, then the business profile pops up, and you see the name, and then if we scroll down, you see their address and their phone number, and this is known as a NAP. Now, the important thing about the NAP is that you it's listed in online directories. Okay, now these are some of the top directories that your NAP could be listed in: Yelp, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, Yellow Pages, and so forth. But in addition to that, there are a couple of hundred other online directories that your NAP could be listed in. Your goal is to be listed in more directories than your top competitor. Now, I have a tool, there's a website called Bright Local, and if you go into that site, you can find the exact directories that your competitor is listed in, and then we could match that and have your NAP listed in the same directories, but in addition to that, we could get your NAP added to even more directories, which would cause you to rank higher than them in the Google Maps. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks are extremely important as far as ranking a website. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to another website online. And what happens, the site being linked to, it gives that site more authority. So the more sites linking to that site gives that site more authority. And the more relevant the link is, the more valuable the link is. So you want links that are related to your business and what you do. That gives your site more power. The more links that you have coming in. Okay, now we're back to your site in Ahrefs again, and now we're looking at the backlinks. It shows here you have 57 backlinks. Now let's take a look at your competitor. Okay, now this is your competitor in Ahrefs again. Now we're looking at the backlinks. Now they have 150 backlinks linking back to their site. So now if I click here, it shows me the exact sites that are linking back to their site. And what we can do here is we can get these same sites linking back to your site. But then on top of that, we could get even more sites to link back to your site, which would give you more power than your competitor and more authority. Okay, so that's in a nutshell. Again, we talked about a content. You want to have you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, but because your competitor has so many, you would actually want to up your word content to around 36 to 3,700 words of content on your homepage. But and also you want to include the keywords that their competitor is being found for, which also cause your site to be found. Then the second thing we went over was citations. You want to have your citations listed in more directories than your competitor, giving you more relevance uh, for Google to rank. And the third thing we went over was backlinks. You want to have more relevant sites linking to your site than your competitor. All of these things are going to cause your site to rise in the ranking when a Google search is done. So I hope this has been informative for you, and I hope you like what I've showed you. Um, so if you have any more questions, if you have any questions, or you'd like to get any more information, or any more how-to things that I could help you with, please give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Donald Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you, and you have a great day.